Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F6, and today I will show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So, to get started, let's open up our standalone contacts application, which will be located in the Google folder. I'm gonna skip signing in, and in here you want to navigate to Fix and Manage, and then Manage SIM. This in turn will display all the contacts that you have on your SIM card. Now by default they will be all selected as long as none of these contacts that are on your SIM card already exist on your device. If some of them do, they will become grayed out and deselected, so you won't be able to select them again. And it will give you a message that this contact already exists. Now, one more thing that is going to be different between what you see on my device and probably on yours is because I am not signed into a Google account, it does not show it right here. If you have a Google account, you can switch between your Google account one, or if you have multiple, you can choose either one of those that you have signed in, or also the device will be an option, so you can import contacts to the device. I don't have any Google accounts, so it automatically opts into the device as it's the only option that I have, and also because of that, it doesn't give me a drop-down menu because I don't have any choices. So that's the difference that you will have, and that option will be right under the Manage SIM. Now, once you have your contacts visible, you can deselect ones that you might not want, and from there you can choose Import. Now this asks you if you want to remove your contacts from your from the SIM card. I highly recommend against this because those contacts never get in your way, and it's always nice to have a backup copy in some kind of emergency. So I'll select Keep. Now this will say that it imported X amount of contacts, and when you go to a contacts list, it will display it. Now, by default, for some reason, when you don't have a Google account and you import your contacts, it does show you contacts from your SIM card and from the device. So it's right now duplicating them because it's showing two different locations at the same time, which isn't normal. So you can click right here on this little guy if you have it, or whatever it's showing for you, and then choose where you want to display your contacts from. So I'm gonna choose device. And here are the contacts that I have imported. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.